This is a pretty much simple application. I've come across it on the Play Store. I'll give you guys a quick review on how to use it. And this application here just pretty much generate prompts for these images here that you're seeing. So as you can see here at the all section, and there's not very much, just a few images which you can really get the prompt for, and you can recreate yourself. But anyways, in one of these images that you may want to get the prompt for, just tap on the image that you want to get the prompt for. You may see an ads, but you can just tap on the generate prompt option here. You will see an ads while trying to navigate through the application, as you can see here. But once the ads is finished, all you have to do is just tap on the X icon at the top here. You should see an forward icon, then the X icon, and then it will pretty much start generating the ads that's we use to create this image here. So that's really pretty much how to use this simple application here. Although it's pretty much new, maybe in the future it will get very popular, and it will pretty much be the same way as how you use this application here. And if you want to add any one of these images to your favorites, you can tap on the art icon here, and it will pretty much go in your favorite section, as you can see here. So very easy to use.